Welcome. In this video we will show you how to properly install Permaloc's BrickBlock paver restraint. Before you begin the installation of pavers and edging, you must prepare the base according to the specifications, including a compaction of at least 95% proctor density. Screed concrete sand over the base to form a uniform thickness of not less than 1 inch and not more than 1 1/4 inch. Install the pavers according to plan so that the top of the pavers is 1/4 inch above the desired finished grade. Install BrickBlock with the base resting on the aggregate and facing away from the paver. Alternately, you can put the base under the pavers. Connect each section together by sliding the quick clip connector over the top of the joint spanning both pieces. Spike the edging into place with 10-inch spiral steel spikes every 1 foot on center. Also spike the end of each edging section. If curves or angles are required, cut the base and form the edging to the curve or angle. Sweep concrete sand into the joints between the pavers. Finally, compact the pavers to final grade and remove any excess sand from the surface. More installation and product information can be found online at Permaloc.com.